Super creative.
Should I buy the DJI Mavic Mini? Definitely not. Unless you want to get super creative. I'm Rob Lyons, this is Super Creative, and today we're going to wrestle and grapple with the idea of should I or shouldn't I buy a Mavic Mini? It's an especially important question today as DJI just launched the Mavic Air 2. It has amazing specs, a low price point, and it makes the decision much harder. Or does it? Now, I'm not going to rattle off a lot of specs and numbers. You can go take a look at the website if you want to see that stuff, and I'm sure you already have. I'm not going to do a bunch of side-by-side comparisons either. What I am going to do is distill this down to one question. The only question. The one we've been asking through the annals of history, through the shrouds of time, back to the mysterious origins of man. And that is, does size really matter? This is the only question you should be asking yourself right now. There are a lot of better drones out there with higher specs that can do much more, but none of them are under 250 grams. Spoiler alert, I already have it. I live in Canada, and in Canada, to fly a drone legally, you require a basic license. And if you want to fly a drone anywhere near a city or people or something that's remotely interesting to look at, it requires an advanced license. You have to submit a flight plan to Nav Canada and call the local tower to request permission to fly, unless your drone weighs less than 250 grams. Transport Canada considers this a micro drone, and they do not regulate where you can or cannot fly a micro drone. Thank you, Transport Canada. So depending on where you live in the laws there, the sub 250 gram drone might make a huge difference in if you're going to buy it or not buy it. Now, another consideration is what you want to do with the drone. Do you travel a lot? Are you a vlogger? Do you do real estate videos? Are you a pro or just a weekend warrior? Now, I ask this because the Mini is so small and light that you can put it in your bag, take it with you on a trip, and not even notice it's with you. But other drones, which are bigger and heavier, can become a huge burden when you're taking it with you, and you might wish that you'd left it at home. I recently went for a walk with my wife, and I took the Mini with me as well as the Osmo Pocket. They're both pretty tiny, I barely noticed that they were even there, and I got some great shots while I was out and about. You honestly wouldn't believe how light this thing is until you have it in your hands. Now, if you are traveling, having a sub 250 gram drone might make it easier to fly on your trip. It might be legal in the country that you go to, or maybe even easier to get a permit to fly it. So that's another advantage of having something this small. This drone is great for beginners because it is easy to learn the DJI Fly app. It's easy to control the drone, and it's remarkably stable in the air compared to other, smaller, cheaper drones, thanks to it having GPS. The photos and videos that the Mini shoots are more than good enough for your Instagram feed and your YouTube channel, and might even please a pro who just wants to grab the odd drone shot here and there. However, if you do aerial work for a living, work in high-end production like film and television, or just demand the absolute best in terms of quality, then the Mini is certainly not for you. And if the sub 250 gram weight makes no difference legally where you live, then I would take a serious look at the Mavic Air 2 for its incredible value for the money. Who the Mavic Mini is for the people who gain the advantage to fly it legally because of its lightweight. It's for travelers who need something small and mobile, or the weekend warrior who just wants to go out with the family, get a few shots here and there, easily without investing in something bigger, heavier, and more expensive. The photo and video quality is more than good enough for me. It's great for Instagram, YouTube. I've had DJI feature some of my work on their SkyPixel app, and I've even had some of the local newspapers and magazines feature my photos on their social media feeds. I have zero regrets with the Mavic Mini, other than the fact that I don't get out to fly it often enough. I love flying the Mini. It gives me an adrenaline rush every single time, makes my heart beat a little fast in my chest, makes my palms sweaty, and it makes me feel like Tom Cruise in Top Gun locking onto a MiG-21. If you are gonna buy the Mavic Mini, buy the Fly More combo. You get extra batteries, a charging station, carry case, prop guards, and extra props, and it's well worth the extra money. Just for the batteries alone, it's worth it. So be safe, happy flying, and remember, we can be reactive or we can be creative. It all depends on how you choose to see.